It's warm. How are you, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well and happy. And just doing a little job in the murk here. Something that has irritated me from the day I got the car. And I'll roll a bit of footage now in a second and I'll show you. Basically, the rear parcel shelf and the two speaker covers has gone purple. Should have been like a dark grey, but it's gone purple from the sun. And every time I walk up behind the car, it absolutely irritates me looking at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to spray it black. And an old car dealer's trick, this. You'd often see it done back in the day with the, you remember, like the Fiesta hatchbacks and stuff like that, where you had the little tray that came up with the boot. You know, if one of them went missing and you got another one that was different colours, so you could spray it to match the boot interior of the car. So we'll roll this bit of footage here anyway, and we're going to get it apart, which is handy enough to get it out. Just take your time, be careful, and make sure your hands are clean, because you have to remove a couple of panels in the back, and if your hands aren't clean you'll destroy them, and it's very hard to get them clean again. Okay, let's go. So, pops out handy enough. I really suppose I should have showed you what I was doing. So basically all you have to do is the two rear C panel covers, you have to remove those, and you do that by popping out the little SRS airbag cover, and there's a single torque screw behind each one, and then you just pull it out towards the front of the car, and it'll slide down on the seat belt, down out of the way. Then you just pop off the parcel shelf. Now you can see how purple it's gone there from the sun, so we're going to sort that out now. kind of hard to see it with the sun, but it is now black, and I'm quite pleased with that. Simple enough to put it back in. Now you can't even see it. Bloody reflection. Let's try this side. There you are now. It's kind of a charcoaly greyish black. So that turned out well. Quite pleased with that. And I also have my boot sorted out. Nice new boot carpet from my friend Jason up in Dublin. Called to see him yesterday, and it's actually black as well. The one that was in this was kind of charcoaly grey, and it was destroyed. Somebody spilled something in it, and oh, there you go. Yeah, so just a few little flecks of dirt and stuff. I'm in the middle of cleaning the car out here at the minute, so we're quite pleased with that now. It's spotless. So thanks very much, Jay. Appreciate it, man. So that's a minor little problem that used to irritate the hell out of me every time I walked up behind the car looking at this purple parcel shelf. So now it took a fair bit of paint. Took 2 cans, believe it or not, because it soaks it like I don't know what. But came out nice. So that's it. We'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.